how to lock iPhone with password. If you want to have a lock in your iPhone with passcode or password, then this video is for you. To do this, what you need to do is, first of all, go to your settings and then find Face ID in your settings. Once you found it, go through it. Now if you scroll down, then there you will see set passcode option instead of change passcode. For now I have already added the passcode, so it is saying change passcode. But if you haven't, then you will have set passcode, hit on that and then add a passcode and then verify it. This is a very simple step to lock your iPhone with passcode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.